Major lawsuit has been filed to block anti-trans legislation from going into effect. The ACLU of Kentucky filing the complaint in federal court, citing Senate Bill 150, says it violates the constitutional rights of families. A reminder, Senate Bill 150 will ban gender-affirming care of any kind for people under the age of 18. It will require parents to be notified if their children seek out care at school, and doctors could get punished for providing any of this care. WHS 11's Isaiah Kim Martinez covered the ACLU's news conference today. And Isaiah, we know this lawsuit targets sort of a narrow scope of the language in Senate Bill 150.
Well, Doug, the complaint largely leaves some of those new restrictions, such as school bathroom policies and teacher guidance alone for now. Instead, it goes after the part of the law they say lets government get in between families and their doctors.
The ACLU of Kentucky's newly filed lawsuit takes aim at the ban on puberty blockers and hormone therapy across Kentucky, saying it causes irreparable harm. 7 different sets of Kentucky parents and their children, including some from Louisville, claim Senate Bill 150 interferes with their rights to get established medical care for their kids. It's set to go into effect in late June.
They're just wonderful families who just want to be there for their kids and raise their kids in the most authentic and appropriate way that they believe is necessary.
In a news conference, ACLU of Kentucky legal director Corey Shapiro says the ban prevents children from being able to treat gender dysphoria. It's a condition where kids feel distress when their gender identity and sex assigned at birth don't match.
It is the worst thing I have ever experienced.
And anxiety Annika, a 16-year-old transgender girl from Manual High School, knows too well.
There's no real way to describe it other than just rotten, horrible.
Supporters of the law say it keeps children from getting transition treatment they'll regret later, an instance Princeton doctors say is actually rare. The Family Foundation's David Walls tells me the lawsuit only underscores their mission.
We fundamentally believe that children should be protected from being physically harmed in the name of denying their biological sex.
Meanwhile, U of L constitutional law professor Sam Markison believes the ACLU makes a good case with strong evidence.
Obviously, there are always going to be unknowns about who gets the case in terms of who the judge is and what arguments the state makes in response. But I think they have a very good chance to prevail, yes.
The ACLU says in the weeks to come, it'll file a motion for an injunction to block the ban while the case is litigated.
And the ACLU of Kentucky is specifically suing the groups in charge of enforcing the ban that includes the State Board of Medical Licensure. Doug, of course, Attorney General Daniel Cameron's office is reviewing this as we speak and expected to take next steps in defending this law.
All right, Isaiah, thank you very much.